Hello children, good morning. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. So this is the first unit of grade 1. Computer is smart machine. Here in this page you can see a conversation between a girl and a boy. Let's read out the conversation. Hey Priya, what is this? What are you doing with it? The boy asks the girl, what is this? What are you doing with it? So the girl replied, Hi Rahul, this is a machine. It is called a computer. I am learning to use it. So Rahul again asked, how is it useful for us? Please tell me. Sure. Let's start with the reading. Machines. If you look around, you will see machines, many machines. You can see the picture of a table fan. Here you can see the picture of a radio, and this is a train. All these are machines. They are man-made devices which help us do different kinds of work. All machines have some common features. So all machines are man-made and they do different kinds of work. All machines have some common feature. Let's find out the features. So machines, they are made by humans. They are found all around us. It can make our work easier and quicker. It saves our time and energy. Page number 13, you can see the picture of some machines. Let's see. The first picture is of tractor. It is a car and this is a motorbike. So some machines require fuel to work. These are some of the machines which require fuel to work. And these are the machines that require electricity in order to work. So television, this is a vacuum cleaner, this is a microwave. Some machines require electricity to work. So these machines, they require electricity to work. And these are the machines which require human power to work. Bicycle, rickshaw, boat. Number 14, you can see an activity section. Tick the correct options. So the number 1, a machine that requires fuel to work. 3 options are given: bicycle, car, television. So the answer is car. The machine that requires fuel to work is car. Second one, a juicer requires, 3 options are given: fuel, human power, electricity. So a juicer requires electricity. The answer is electricity. The third one is machines save our, 3 options are given. First one is time, B, energy, C, both of these. So machines save our time and energy, both of this. So the answer will be both of this. So computer is smart machine. A computer is also a machine. It is man-made and it runs on electricity. So in order to work, it requires electricity. It is a smart machine as it can do many things for us. So let's see some of the features of computer. First one, it works on electricity. Without electricity, it won't work. It can do many things at the same time. It uses information provided by us to give us results. It never makes mistakes or gets tired. It can work very fast. It stores information in the form of pictures, videos, files, etc. How it stores information? In the form of pictures, videos, files, etc. It works like the human brain. So it works like a human brain. The computer works like a human brain. And it takes orders from us. Let us go through the exercise. So first one is fill in the blanks. A machine is a device made by humans. The answer is humans. 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 Machines save our time and energy. So the answer is time and energy. TIME and energy. 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 C. Machines require, it will be human power or electricity or fuel to work. HUMANPOWER. Human power. ELECTRICITY. Electricity or fuel. 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 D. A computer. Answer will be computer. COMPUTER. A computer is a smart machine which never makes mistakes. So the second question, we have to find out the true-false statement. The first sentence is, a computer is a smart machine which is used for storing information. So this statement is true. You have to write it here, T. A computer makes its own decisions without taking help from us. This statement is false because it takes orders from us, then only it proceeds. So the statement is false. Right here, F. The third one is, a computer gets tired when it works. No, the computer never gets tired. Here we can see in the feature, it never makes mistakes or gets tired. So it never gets tired. Here the statement is written, it gets tired. But this is a false statement. So the answer will be F. That is false. A computer is used by us to make our work easy by saving time and energy. So this is a true statement. It does save our time and energy. So the statement is true. Hence, you will write T here. Thank you all of you.